Welcome guys, it is James Craycroft with a brand new daily upload, and what we're going to be going over today is exactly how to 3x your Shopify store sales, everything that's involved with doing that. But first, before we get into any of that, if you're brand new here, be sure to subscribe, leave a like down below, because on this channel, I'm building a community of people who value results, who value doing great things with e-commerce, Shopify, life and business in general. So if you value results, be sure to subscribe, as I've said. And now what I want to do is hop onto my computer and show you exactly how to 3x your Shopify store sales. Alright guys, so welcome to my whiteboard of big facts. As you can see, I'm a professional artist. I've been doing this for well over 10 years. And down in the description is going to be a link where you're going to be able to buy my whiteboard art for $1,200. So go ahead and go buy that now, and you can put it on your wallet in a really nice fancy frame that I'll give to you for free. Jokes aside, what I want to go over is something that is extremely important for you to understand if you're doing e-commerce, but not only e-commerce, but any online business model. And if you have this one thing, you're going to be able to just run circles around your competition and everyone else, because most people, they're either not doing this at all or they're doing a very bad job at actually executing on it. And so if you do this, you're going to do very well. Go away, Java. But before I go over that one thing, I want to go over a concept with you so you understand just the importance of what I'm about to share with you. In a traditional setup for an e-commerce store, you're going to have an ad somewhere, whether that be Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, or Google, anywhere else. From that ad, people are going to go to your store. It's going to have products in it that build trust, and you're going to optimize it for conversions. And let's say for every single person that buys a product from your store, you're averaging a net profit of, let's say, something realistic, like about $20. So let's say the product is $5 and it costs you $5 to acquire a customer, and your net profit ends up being about $10. So you profit $10 net. I'm quite loving my calligraphy here, if you haven't noticed. So we run an ad. A potential customer goes to our store. They see products that they want in the store. It costs us $5 to fulfill that product and send it to them. It costs us $5 to actually get them there and to buy from us. So that's $20 revenue, and we net $10. So to break that down, we're putting $5 in and getting $10 back out. So for every single dollar that we put into this machine, we're getting $2 out. Now, you're probably thinking that's a fantastic front end ROI. For the front end, that is, but here's the problem, guys. Most people, what they do with e-commerce is they heavily rely on this model right here. They want to get $1 in, get $2 out on the front end, and that's it. If we just simply run an ad, sell a product, and net $10, and that's it, and nothing happens after that, and we rely on having to do this over and over and over and over again every single day to make a living and to actually make a profit, then you're absolutely screwed long term. And the reason why is because if you rely on this right here, and this is the only thing that you're doing to try to make money, especially with e-commerce, you will get royally screwed over in the long term. And probably more likely than not, even the short term. Because here's the problem. Ad costs, they go up. Product costs sometimes go up. You're going to run out of customers eventually, or it's going to become a lot more expensive to get a customer. Why businesses go out of business, especially online, is because they run out of customers, and then it becomes much more expensive to even acquire a brand new customer. And when it becomes too expensive to acquire a customer, then you go out of business. That's one of the number one reasons why online businesses go belly up, is because the cost to acquire a customer becomes more than what you're actually making. I've had this happen to me, and I've had to combat this even within the first few months of running a successful store. So if you try to optimize for that right there, you're not going to have a very good time. So what is the solution? What can we do to put $5 in and get, let's say, $100 out or $50 out predictably long term, so that we don't have to rely on the front end to do extremely well? And this is what most new people try to do. That's why 95% of business owners fail, is because they're doing the wrong things and they're working with the wrong information. They just don't have all the puzzle pieces yet. They only have a few of those pieces. So let's say we have our ad right here, and we send people to a store. And then in that store we have products. I'm so bad at writing right now. And then from here, we make a sale. But not only that, within this entire process, we're collecting a lot of emails. And then we make a sale. And then from here, after we make a sale and we profit $10, later on down the road, what we want to do is send them more emails. And let's say we're running a deal every single month where we're able to sell them a product, actually no, every single week, and we're able to upsell them, downsell them, sell them a similar product, whatever, and we end up being able to make an extra $10 from that customer. And let's say down the road, we're able to sell them another product for, let's say, $15 profit. And then once they're comfortable with us and we've provided a lot of value and have actually fulfilled great products to them and built trust with them, then let's say we make another $20, and then that's it. So instead of paying $5 for a customer and only making $10 back, we're able to make $55 from $5. So every single $5 that we put in, we profit $50. So if we're able to perfect this system right here, and every single time we're getting traffic to our store, we're collecting emails and making sales, not only collecting the emails of people who bought, but also the people who didn't buy, and then we leverage email marketing right here, then what we're able to do is turn $5 into $50 profit long term over a 6-month period or less, and really make a significant ROI to the point where we're not only able to profit, but we're able to sleep extremely well at night, because we know even if our ad costs go up, we're going to be able to outbid our competitors and still turn a significant profit in the long run and not have any anxiety about going out of business, and we don't have to worry about our competitors outbidding us and taking away our customers. We're able to go out there into the marketplace, outbid every single competitor, and let's say even if ad costs went up to, let's say, $35 per acquisition, which I've seen, it sucks. In this case, as long as our acquisition cost doesn't go above our long-term customer value, we can just keep buying ads all day long, keep optimizing our email marketing, keep optimizing the store, and also optimizing our ads. And with that, we have a system that's literally a cash producing machine. We're producing cash flow over the long term. We know our lifetime customer value, and we have a extremely competitive edge over our competitors. And this is something that most people do not do. Even if they're doing them, I can guarantee you most of the people in the market aren't doing it nearly as effective as they could be doing it. For several reasons. Most people don't know how to sell very well in their emails. Most people don't know how to build trust. Most people don't know how to build rapport, and most people don't know how to sell. You need trust, respect, rapport, and you need to be able to optimize every cog in the system to get to this point. But if you can pull this off, you are literally set. And this is how you can not only 3x, but you can 4x and 5x your Shopify store sales over time and make much, much more money than you could be doing than you're doing now. Because right now, what most people are doing, they're just trying to make money on the front end. It's like basically being offered $100 and choosing to only take $30. It's insane. It's completely delusional, but here's why people do it. It's the path of least resistance. Most people are accustomed to the path of least resistance, and also, even if they aren't, most people don't understand it and they don't know how to do it. So if you want to 3x your Shopify sales, you need to be leveraging email marketing. You need to know your lifetime customer value, your LTV, and you need to know your average cost per customer acquisition, and you need to know the average profit that you're getting out of every single sale that you make, and also optimize your email marketing here to get even more money out of your list long term. And that's basically it. If you really understand this and you actually apply it, then you're able to basically go as high as you want in life and in business. Not only do Shopify store owners and business owners in general do email marketing, but some of the most influential people in the world leverage email marketing. For example, Barack Obama, he leveraged email marketing. Hillary Clinton did. Donald Trump did. They're all doing email marketing. Every single one of them. There's no massive organization right now that is not leveraging something similar to direct response marketing or email marketing. If you doubt this, take a look at your inbox, your promotional tab, and your spam inbox. People wouldn't be doing it if it didn't work. So guys, hopefully by now you realize the importance of effective email marketing, of knowing your lifetime customer value, of knowing what it costs you to get a customer, and actually doing what it takes to get those people coming back and buying from you and making the most amount of money as possible from your email list, so that you can do what other people aren't willing to do. Now, it's not about doing what's easy, it's about doing what's hard so that you can have an easier time than people who are doing what is easy. That's what this is all about. Most people aren't doing this, so if you're able to leverage what I just showed you, you're going to be able to do much better than most people. But that's it for today's video. As I've said, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. Drop a like down below if you found value in this video. Leave a comment if you have any suggestions for future videos. And with that, guys, I will see you tomorrow.